Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to get the piercing filter on TikTok. Really simple and easy to do. All you have to do to get this filter is head over to the TikTok application and open that up. Once you're in the application, you want to make sure you're on the Discover tab, just the second tab from your left. And then just go up to the top search bar. And all you want to do in the top search bar is just type in piercing filter. So you just want to type that in. Just like this with no space, piercing filter. And then the motive here is just to find one of the videos that have the filter on it. So usually if you just go to top videos right here and just click through here, you'll find one.
Loving is easy.
So this one right here, for example, right above the person's username, you'll see this yellow star with the piercings lettering on it. You just want to click on that. And then from here, you'll be able to add this to your favorites. So when you create new TikTok videos, you'll be able to add this filter onto your video. I really hope I was able to help you guys out in showing you how to get this filter. If this was helpful to you, be sure to leave a like on the video and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.